My perspective on investing was shaped by some pretty intense moments in financial history. Most people think wealth management is about spreadsheets, stock tickers, and numbers on a screen. But for me, McCarty Wealth started with something much simpler: family. As a father of 3 young boys, I've learned that time is really the most valuable asset that we have. Being able to be present for my family, whether that's school events, time at home, just everyday moments, means everything to me. Having the flexibility to build a business while still being there for my kids is something I'm incredibly grateful for. And moments like this really shaped how I wanted to build this company, because the way we approach finances should ultimately support the life you want to live.
The boys love that their dad gets to be around so much.
The path to starting McCarty Wealth didn't happen overnight. After graduating college during the financial crisis in 2009, I started my career working at an accounting and finance firm in Dallas. Those early years taught me a lot about the industry, but they also helped me realize the type of career and lifestyle that I wanted long term. It pushed me to start my own firm and build it the right way from the beginning. Of course, no business succeeds with just one person. A big part of what makes our office work is Susan.
I've been in the financial industry for over 28 years, and what I enjoy most is working directly with people. A lot of clients come in feeling uncertain or overwhelmed about their finances, and being able to help simplify things for them has been really rewarding.
Susan has worked with multiple advisors at several firms over the years, so she's seen a lot of different situations. That experience has been incredibly valuable to our clients. During the 2008 and 2009 subprime mortgage crisis, I was working as a tax accountant in Dallas. And while preparing tax returns, I had a front row seat to how investors actually reacted to those market downturns. You could clearly see the difference between those investors who stayed disciplined and those who reacted emotionally. Many people moved to cash after large losses and unfortunately missed the recovery that followed. As a certified financial planner, my first major downturn managing portfolios came during COVID. Watching strong companies fall quickly in the market wasn't easy, but it reinforced something important: understanding how policy decisions and economic forces impact the markets. The Federal Reserve, for example, plays a huge role in liquidity and asset prices. That perspective helped guide many of our decisions in recent years, especially when interest rates began rising sharply. Moments like these are where experience really helps guide clients through uncertainty. One of the biggest advantages of being an independent advisory firm is that we can structure everything around what benefits our clients the most.
Our approach for Brevard retirees is to shift from growth mode to income sustainability. We look for diversified target yield closer to 7% by balancing stocks, bonds, and alternatives. It's not about abandoning the companies that helped you build your career. It's about engineering a portfolio that can weather market cycles without forcing you to sell at the wrong time.
Why the CFP certification? People see the letters, but they don't actually know what it means.
So it's a massive differentiator in this industry, but a CFP is the gold standard. Not just how to pick stocks, but how to be the architect of your financial house. I have to understand the client's investments, talk their tax strategy, how their estate plan aligns with their current retirement income, and even the psychology of why we behave the way we do with money. So it took a rigorous college-level curriculum, 6-hour board exam, and years of real-world experience. We're constantly staying ahead of the curve. Our fees are often lower than the larger competitors because we don't have massive overhead or a giant corporate brand on the building. And we use technology, along with Schwab's platform, to stay efficient and focused on serving clients. The goal has always been simple: create a firm where we can make the biggest impact for the people we work with.
We know we're not the right fit for everyone.
But for those families here in Brevard who want to feel confident about their finances,
Click the link in the description below.
and visit McCartyWealth.com for more information. Thank you for watching.